Hi everyone, it's Joey here. Welcome back to another Homebody Diaries. The weather has been so bipolar in Calgary and it's just been snowing, sunny, back to snow. Laundry day. I have this habit of always washing my clothes after one, maybe max two wears. So I go through a lot of laundry. Check out my ramen shirt. If you can't already tell, the colorful items are pajamas, and things I wear outside the house
are all black.
Welcome back to another vlog. I just got ready. It is the weekend. Yesterday I had some friends over and we did a little instant noodle night, and we also played some board games. That one was so fun. Best time playing that game. It was a lot of strategy. It was just, yeah, it was everything.
Corn, that's it. I don't have anything, right?
So had a great time for that. Today has been really chill. Went to the gym, came back and just like hung out until now. It's like later afternoon. We have our clay things that need to be painted. So we're gonna go back to Color Cafe to do that. And yeah, we're just gonna have a little artsy afternoon. And then, yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. But honestly feeling a little lazy today. It also snowed.
Like, it's springtime. Why is it snowing?
This is the fit for today. I haven't worn this blouse in a very long time and figured it's comfy, it's flowy, and I have these like sweat flowy pant material. This is from Uniqlo. Absolutely love it. I've been wearing it nonstop because it's just been so comfy. But yeah, this is the look. We are back at Color Cafe to paint our air dry clay pieces that we worked on about 5 weeks ago. Very excited to finally complete this. It's been a long waiting process. Art was a big part of my life growing up, and as I got older, I really neglected that creative outlet that I used to lean so much on. So it's been really healing to be able to do all these crafts. We get so caught up with adulthood that we really neglect the inner child in us sometimes. And I think that's what I've really learned over the past few years is to allocate time to do those hobbies that I have enjoyed since I was a young kid. And that includes anything art related, crafts, puzzles, and I realized how much it recharged me and brought a different type of happiness into my life. Hello，你哋仲開唔開？
Sure.
I ordered the Hong Kong style barbecue pork, the char siu, and pork knuckle with noodles. My go-to carb is always noodles, and preferably soup noodles. I just filled my lashes in the hopes that I will stop crying. Yeah. I have bulldog noodles, which is my favorite kind of noodles. I've realized that my mood correlates to how often I eat instant noodles, and unfortunately, it has been frequent. Also, I love having cucumber with the spicy noodles. It's just refreshing crunch. Mm. Mm. Forgot to show you guys. This is the final result of my Color Cafe No Face tray. Actually turned out really nice. Crazy what a outfit and getting ready can do for the mental state. This is the look. I've been meaning to wear these glasses and I just love the vibe. It's like such a great accessory. And that's something that I've been really into lately. Now it is off to the birthday dinner. Thank you. Yes, please. With the seasons kind of changing, it's time to give Juno a little grooming. I've been grooming Juno since she was a puppy, so she is wonderful. She doesn't really move and she's very patient. Okay. Oh, good girl. April has been really hard. I don't think I've felt this upset, disappointed. That hasn't happened to me in a long time. I feel like I am grieving in a way. I don't know if I can overcome this. I think that's what I'm grieving. Any type of interaction with people, it's very important to communicate. And I know I did. I communicated the boundaries and I communicated what hurt. So when it happens again in my life, it's extra painful. Almost feels like a disregard of someone's feelings. I don't even know if I'll ever post this. I feel like this is so raw and unfiltered.
I'm still going through it. It's
머리 모여있네. 아버님께 주세요, 선생님.
This is our very first time eating at this restaurant. We got the signature hot and sour fish set, and it was really delicious, very flavorful, has a really nice fish taste within the broth. There wasn't a ton of toppings in it, even though we got the large, so we decided to add a bit more of ingredients that we had at home. If you enjoy spicy food and you're really into hot pot or stews, highly recommend checking this spot out since the value is quite good for what you're getting. New angle in the kitchen. Just went to Costco. Oh my gosh, it was so hectic. It's like currently 8 o'clock. We waited 32 minutes for our hot dogs. Slightly exhausted after that grocery run. I will show you what we got. First off, toilet paper, because it was on sale. Picked up more chicken broth. Do use this quite often, especially when I'm using it as a base for any noodle soups. For protein, I got my standard, I couldn't find the chicken thighs. I think they were all sold out, at least the ones without skin. Got some chicken wings because I love making Chinese style chicken wings. And this is actually new. I've never seen the thinly sliced pork belly. Pork belly is usually a staple for my Costco runs, but they usually come in that really thick cut. It's only $27 for this much. And there's like several layers. Also, there are the thinly sliced beef. This is great for hot pot. It's a little bit thicker maybe for hot pot, but I think this is still such a really good deal, and also a ton of meat in this. My boyfriend loves fried rice. It's something that I recently figured out when I made it like a few months ago. So I just got some mixed vegetables to put in for the fried rice. Also for the fried rice, we have the infamous Spam. Knew that would happen. Pineapple, ground pork. This is new to Costco. This is the lactose-free, high-protein milk. Was running low on salt. Toothpaste was on sale. Also was running low on body wash. This is also on sale. This is new to Costco. I've actually started using a new eye cream that's this brand, and I love it. So I haven't really talked much about that product yet in my vlogs. I'm really looking for stuff with NAD plus in it for anti-aging. So I just want to give this a go, and I actually really like their sheet mask. And this ended up retailing for about $50 for 2. Okay, another thing that I do to kind of keep my fridge and freezer clean is vacuum sealing and portioning out according to the types of meals I make. For the chicken wings, I usually just like to portion it in half, and that's kind of enough for 2 people to have 1 meal. And I usually like to date them, so I kind of go through the older meats first. This is a lot of meat. Okay, so everything is here. We have the pork belly, the thinly sliced beef, chicken wings. We still have some ground pork and some thicker cuts of pork belly. So this is what I'm gonna go through first, and then kind of work my way here.